Y'all see that beautiful butterfly right down the bottom of the post. See, he just went away. Oh, y'all see him? He flew away so fast, I don't know. Y'all see him? I could barely see him myself. He flew away so fast. But he was brown and orange colored. Oh, that was pretty. Yeah, y'all, I'm sitting out here on my porch enjoying the nice breezy fall weather. That's what your girl is doing. I see the beautiful blue skies. Gorgeous. It's gorgeous. All right, y'all. Bye-bye till next time. Oh, that's my daughter pulling up. Hello. She just pulled up. I'm gonna put on the video, y'all. She gonna kill me. She gonna kill me, y'all. Y'all look glance.